In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix could not add payment method on Apple Pay. This error usually comes down to a mismatch between your device region, your Apple ID country, and the billing details tied to your payment method. We'll walk through aligning all of those, then retry adding the card, and finish with what to do if it still doesn't work. Start by confirming your iPhone's region. Open Settings, go to General, then Language and Region, and tap Region. Select the country where you currently live. This matters because Apple Pay checks that your device region, Apple ID country, and card's issuing country all make sense together. Once you've set the correct region, head to the App Store. In the App Store, tap your profile icon, then tap your Apple ID. First, check the current billing country shown there. Next, tap Manage Payments, open your billing address, and verify the selected country or region. If what you see here doesn't match where you live or where your bank account is based, that's likely the cause of the error. If you need to change your Apple ID country, go back and tap country/region, select change country or region, then choose the country you actually reside in. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Apple may display notices about content availability or services that vary by country. That's normal. Keep going until you reach the billing setup screen. Now complete your billing details, tap agree to the terms. If you're not ready to add a card at this stage, choose none for the payment method, then enter your billing address, including city, state, zip code, and phone number exactly as they appear on your bank or card account. Accuracy here is key. Small mismatches can trigger verification issues. Tap Next and give your iPhone a moment to finish updating your Apple ID settings. Don't close the screen until it completes. With your region and Apple ID country aligned and your billing info saved, try adding your payment method again. Open Wallet, tap to add a card, and follow the prompts. If your card is supported in your country and the address matches your bank's records, it should add without errors. If the issue continues, contact Apple support. They can check for account flags, regional restrictions, or verification holds that aren't visible on your device. Quick recap. Check region, update your Apple ID country, add or verify your billing info, then retry Apple Pay. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.